You just found the 2018 Toyota Prius Prime. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This forward-thinking Prius Prime combines artful styling, a plug-in hybrid dual-motor drive system, hatchback versatility, a convenient and comfortable interior, and a host of safety and connectivity features. It's the mid-sized car that will make your future bright. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Feel the lightness that comes from leaving a smaller footprint. Our staff is here to help you make it happen. We'll toss you the keys to the Prius Prime and help you take the next step on your driving journey.